absolutely delicious chicken. Hi friends, Landon's here. Let's do it! Detailed written recipe is in the description and the first comment. All notes and tips you see here on the screen. This chicken is all about taste and flavors. You get to choose between Creole or Cajun seasonings. They're both from Louisiana and sharing so many similar ingredients, but Cajun is spicier, saltier, and less herby than Creole. If you like me, you will make some rice with the remaining tasty juices in the pan. Don't throw it away. It's really yummy. Thank you so much. I hope you have a wonderful day, and I'll see you next time for another easy, delicious recipe. Bye bye, my friends.